Okay, here today. Okay, here we go. Today I will teach you some tricks using during the drawing. Okay, now in our previous lecture we learn about the lines these draws, line, rectangle, circle, arc, hatching, array, region, nodes. In second lecture we was talk about modify command here, erase, copy, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate, object, fillet, chamfer. This is another thing. Close this. In our third lecture we talk about the layers and some line controls. In fourth lecture coloring, demodify, we talk about the demodify. Here is a dimensional style manager, we talk about the properties, and we also learn about the dimensions here. Now in this our fifth lecture I will teach you some tricks in 2D drawing. Okay, here it is a AutoCAD classic. See at the downside workspace switching. Here it is I am. Here it is the indicator is the AutoCAD classic. I want to change this AutoCAD classic into 3D modeling. Here you can draw a 3D model of any object. Wait, it is opening. This is the tool palette. We don't need this tool palette. Okay, so close this. Here it is the 3D modeling. That 3D modeling used for the creating the object in 3D. Okay, I will teach you 3D in our sixth lecture. Now it is our fifth lecture. Here it is, you can change in the 2D drafting and annotation. Here you can draw the 2D drawings. Here it is so many options we talk about in the 2D in AutoCAD Classic. So it is the same as our AutoCAD Classic. Here you can change in the AutoCAD Classic. Okay, this is the AutoCAD Classic. Just to close this, it is not close this. Here I will teach you some tricks how to save a file. Here it is our drawing. I will draw drawing anything else. This is my rectangle 100. This is my rectangle 100. I want to save this drawing. How to save this drawing? Here you can see the save as. Click on the save as. You can choose any path where you want to save. I want to save this drawing on a desktop, so I will do a name here 1 2 3. Here it is. You can, I will tell you this after, and click on the save. Here it is drawing your save on the desktop, so you can see on the desktop for this drawing. Okay, now we learn about the how to save. Now I'm going to teach you about how to take a print of this drawing. Here it is a control P. Press control and do the P. Control P. Here it is your name. So click a name as a none. Here it is a name. I want to do a PDF. Otherwise you can select the printer or anything here. Here it is a printer window system filter, anything here your printers. Here otherwise you can, if you want to do a PDF of this drawing, so select the DWG to PDF and select the paper size where you want to. Here it is a paper size. You can select the any paper size what you want, A1, A2, A3. I want A4 paper size, so I will select A4 paper size. Then click on the display, what to plot, click on the what to plot and go to the window, then click on, I want to click a window. Here I want to print from here to here, then go to the preview. Here it is in your drawing, it is not in a proper center, so you want to make this drawing in a proper center. So what you're gonna do, just exit, left click, and center the plot. Here it is, you can see the take the center the plot with the view. Here it is, your drawing is in the center with proper format. Okay, then you can maximize this, click on the more option. Here if you want to portrait, see, if you want to landscape, see. So fit to the paper. Here you can select the grayscale. If you select the grayscale, your drawing will come in the black and white format. If you select the ACAD, your drawing will come in the color format. If you have a color printer, then we have select as display, then hit the OK. Where you want to save? I want to save on the desktop. Save. Here is your drawing save on the desktop. So you can check this later afterwards in your computer. Now here it is, you can see the pan here. Click on the pan, you can pan this window here and here, here. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to insert the JPG file or PDF file. Okay, in the AutoCAD. Here it is insert. Click on the insert rastered image reference. Click on the rastered image reference. Then go to the file location which you have. I will go to the list. Here it is my image. I want to select this image to take in the AutoCAD. Here it is a name for image, full path, specify on screen 1:1, and give the OK. Here it is your image. Found the image here, then give the scale. If I want this much, then give the left click. Hit escape for exit command. Okay, here it is your image. You can do the same for PDF file, otherwise you can type insert on keyboard and hit a space. Here it shows a browse. Click on the browse, you can select the any file, PDF or JPG format, and hit the OK. Your image will appear on the AutoCAD window. Then give the scale as we already given for this image. Okay, I am going to erase this image now. Something more tricks. This we also done in the previous lecture. Thickness also we done in. Here I will show you how to use the match properties. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use the match property. Here it is the one line. Here I am giving this line as the color green. Here it is, my line is green. I want to make this line also into the green. So what we're gonna do, match property, type ma space. After typing ma space, then select the source object. See in the command line it shows me a select the source object, so I will select the source object. It is my source object. Select the source object, select the destination object where you want to make a green line. Here I want to make this line as green. This is my destination line, so I will select this and this. It is a shortcut for making green lines. Otherwise you can change this line into a sand and match property same. Otherwise you can directly select this and go to the color and by layer it is a white. Now I will show you how to make a block. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a block. This drawing is not a proper block, so anyone can change this drawing. So what we're gonna do, select this and type a block and hit the space. Here it is shows the name. I'm giving the name as a 123 is my block name, and pick a point shows me a pick point. Otherwise select object. I already selected, but I will show you again. Select the object, then it shows me pick a point. I will take this point and hit the OK. Block unit is now mm and hit the OK. Again I will show you block, type of block, hit the OK, give the name anything, select the object again, hit the right space and go to the pick point. I will select this pick point. Do not change this block unit. So it is a inches. So click on the OK. Here is your block ready. Okay. If I want to explode this block, what I'm gonna do? I want to explode this block, making different lines here. So X space, select the object, hit space. Here it is. All lines are different. They don't have relation with the other lines. Okay. This is the some tricks I will teach you in the 6th lecture how to draw isometric.